Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Kenyan Cuisine, and today we are preparing green gram stew. This is one of the most common legumes in Kenya and often served as accompaniment to starches such as ugali, rice and chapati. It is a very good dish for infant and it's very delicious and healthy as well. So first we're going to put 500 grams of green grams in a cooking pot. Then you will wash and rinse. And then you're going to add 1.7 liters of hot water. Cover and let it cook for around 15 minutes on a pressure cooker or 30 minutes on a slow cooker, or until your green grams is 80% done. So today we will need seasoning cube, blended tomatoes and carrots, onion, garlic, coconut milk, oil, curry powder and salt. Over a medium heat, add some oil in a cooking pot and then you're going to add your onions and garlic and saute for around 3 minutes. Add your tomatoes and let it cook for around 3 minutes, and then you're going to add your blended tomatoes and carrots and then mix to combine. After that, go in with your seasoning cube, curry powder and salt, and then you're going to mix and let it simmer for around 2 minutes. Then add your pre-boiled green grams and then you're going to mix everything together, and instead of using water, you're going to use coconut milk. At this point, adjust salt and seasoning. Then you're going to cover and let it cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, your stew is ready. I garnish mine with coriander, and you can as well do with any herb of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of Kenyan Cuisine. subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload another video. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.